All right, let's do one last thing on our last lecture. This part we're going to change to be the same color as our view here. So we go to my main storyboard. We need to select the view here, and the background is gonna be dark gray. So let's rerun our application to make sure everything is set. So we have on top also dark gray and everything is the same color. And you can scroll and you can play with the application. So this is how our ready application looks. We are done with it. I hope you really had some fun building this application and you learn a lot of new things in this lecture. If you like our lectures, please leave 5-star review, and also please check out our other lectures on Udemy and also on our website iosdevschool.com. We always post new content there. You can subscribe to our newsletter. You can check out our blog section as well. And thank you again for subscribing into our application building course, and I hope that you really learn something new from our course. Thank you. Bye bye.